Hello students, welcome back to Poonam's classroom. In today's video, I am going to talk about a very important cell organelle that is endoplasmic reticulum, which is also known as ER in short. As you can understand, E stands for endoplasmic and R stands for reticulum. Now, what is this endoplasmic reticulum? Endoplasmic reticulum is a large, complex network of membrane-bound tubes and sheets. This is a simplified version of a cell, and the orange structure near the nucleus is the endoplasmic reticulum. So you can see that it forms a network-like structure all over the cell, and this network is a complex network. Endoplasmic reticulum mainly has three components: the tubules, the cisternae and the vesicles. Now what are the cisternae? They are the unbranched, flattened sac-like structure with narrow lumen. Lumen is the inside space of the endoplasmic reticulum. These cisternae are studded with ribosomes. Tubules are branched and more diverse in shape than cisternae and vesicles. And the vesicles are the spherical structure located closer to the cisternae. This is how cisternae looks, this is how vesicle looks, and this is how tubules look. So here is the structure of an endoplasmic reticulum. As you can see, the endoplasmic reticulum is connected with the nucleus. And here is the cisternae and here are the tubules. See how it has formed a network within the cell. Did you notice some parts of the endoplasmic reticulum has ribosomes while others do not? We will talk about it in few minutes. Endoplasmic reticulum has its own membrane. Remember that all cell organelle in eukaryotic cell have their own membrane. That is, all organelle in eukaryotic cell are membrane bound. So endoplasmic reticulum also has its own membrane. The membrane is similar to plasma membrane. Now, do you remember what makes plasma membrane? Let me know in the comment. Phospholipids and proteins, right? So, endoplasmic reticulum's membrane is also made of phospholipids and protein. I will add the link for plasma membrane video in the description and also on the card at the top. You can go through it. So, endoplasmic reticulum is a complex network. This endoplasmic reticulum is connected to the nuclear membrane on one side and to the plasma membrane on the other side most of the times, but not always. Thus, as you can see in the figure, it forms a channel, and this helps in movement of molecules, mostly protein. Endoplasmic reticulum can be of two types. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, also called RER. First R stands for rough, and you know ER stands for endoplasmic reticulum. And the other is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, also called SER. S stands for smooth. But why it is called rough and smooth? Obviously, because one looks rough under the electron microscope and the other looks smooth under the electron microscope. Now you will ask me, ma'am, why does it look rough? The answer is, in the rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are present on the outer surface of the endoplasmic reticulum, which gives a rough appearance. Then can you guess why the other is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum? Obviously, because there is no ribosome attached to the surface, so it gives a smooth appearance under the electron microscope. So ribosomes make the endoplasmic reticulum look rough or smooth. So does rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum perform the same function? No. RER has ribosomes which help in protein synthesis, and ACR is involved with synthesis of fat molecules or lipid. So now that we know about endoplasmic reticulum, let's see the functions of endoplasmic reticulum. One of the function is protein synthesis. As we talked just now, RER is the site of protein synthesis. Lipid synthesis is done by ACR, that is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Lipids like phospholipids, cholesterol are made by smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is involved in membrane biogenesis, that is, some of the proteins and lipids produced by endoplasmic reticulum help in building the cell membrane. This process is called membrane biogenesis. So, if someone asks you what is membrane biogenesis, what are you going to tell? Membrane biogenesis is the process that involves cell membrane development with the help of proteins and lipids, and production of these membranes are done by endoplasmic reticulum. So, endoplasmic reticulum is in charge of membrane biogenesis. Bio means life and genesis means creation. So, is it clear what is meant by membrane biogenesis? Let's see some of the more functions of endoplasmic reticulum. Some proteins and lipids synthesized by endoplasmic reticulum function as enzymes and hormone. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is involved in production and secretion of steroid hormones. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is also involved in metabolism of carbohydrate. ER helps in transport. Since endoplasmic reticulum forms a channel, as we saw in the figure, it helps in transport of materials, mainly protein, between various regions of the cytoplasm or between cytoplasm and nucleus. So, if a protein has to move from one place to another, endoplasmic reticulum helps in the transport process by making channels. Some more functions are support. Due to its network structure, it gives internal support to the cell. Biochemical activity. Endoplasmic reticulum provides a surface for some biochemical activities of the cell. Detoxification. In vertebrates, smooth endoplasmic reticulum of the liver cells take part in detoxifying poison and drugs. Now, do you know what are vertebrates? Let me know in the comment. So, these are some of the functions performed by endoplasmic reticulum. So, I have told you that endoplasmic reticulum is a membrane-bound organelle and it is not present in prokaryotic cells like bacteria. Do you remember what are prokaryotic cells? Refer to my video on nucleus. Link is in the description. Remember, endoplasmic reticulum is present in all cells except prokaryotes and mammalian erythrocytes, that is red blood cell or RBC. Now, before we end this chapter, let's see the differences between smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. In smooth endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome is absent and that's the reason it gives a smooth appearance. So, in rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome is present and that's the reason it gets the name rough. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is specialized in synthesis of lipids and steroids. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is specialized in synthesis of protein. The ribosomes attached on the rough endoplasmic reticulum help in the protein formation. The products do not pass into the lumen. Remember, lumen is the inner space of the endoplasmic reticulum. The products pass into the lumen of the endoplasmic reticulum for transport to other places in case of rough endoplasmic reticulum. In case of smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it is mainly formed of vesicles and tubules, and rough endoplasmic reticulum is formed by flat sacs or cisternae. So, I hope now you have a clear idea about what is meant by endoplasmic reticulum. It forms a network-like structure. It has mainly three components, the cisternae, the tubule and the vesicles. It can be rough endoplasmic reticulum when ribosomes are present. It can be smooth endoplasmic reticulum when ribosomes are absent. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is mainly involved with protein synthesis, while smooth endoplasmic reticulum is mainly involved with lipid synthesis. Endoplasmic reticulum is involved in membrane biogenesis. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment. And before you stop this video, you know what you have to do. Like, share, subscribe. See you soon. Thank you.